Good morning again, Lady Liberty Stacker here. It is Saturday, March 23rd, 2019. And I had done a video probably last summer on how to pack and ship hats. I sell quite a few hats, and this one here just sold. Took an offer of $12 for it. I had it up for like $14 or something. It's a Foxworthy's Team redneck cameo racing hat, and I put a little label in here as to exactly what it is when I listed it, so I can see my note on eBay and make sure it is the correct product. In this case, it is. I don't have any other Foxworthy hats, but I do run into duplicates, and it's helpful to know which one is which, so you send out the right product to the customer. That having been said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I ship this out. Of course, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put the shipping label or the printing receipt, packing receipt in for the customer. That's in the event, unlikely event, that the mailing label comes off the package, but it usually doesn't because I tape it on. But if it ever did, they would have the customer's address inside and they could somehow get it to the customer. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I pack these up. I have a Scotty stuffer, and this is designed to fit inside of a padded flat rate envelope, USPS. It'll also fit in a 13 by 10, there's actually a 12 by 10 eBay poly mailer. And I like to use the poly mailer because it just basically provides an extra element of protection for the hat other than the box. The box provides it a little bit of stiff sides in the event, just during shipping, so the hat doesn't get crushed. So basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is just, they come flat. I'm going to go ahead and fold it down just like this. And I'm going to fold this up so you can see it. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my tape here, my tape gun. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the box just like so into the poly bag. Just like this. Get it down there all the way. And what I like to do is I like to tape the sides, you can see, just like this, so they're nice and neat. And that way they don't stick out and they don't get caught in a machine or anything like that. You know, if USPS sorts these. That's what's always been advised to me, and I've followed that advice ever since. We're just going to put a piece of tape, and I use a 3-inch tape for this just because it covers more of an area. It's very lightweight, but it's also very sturdy. And sometimes I'll tape a whole box. Tape on a box, and this is a different type of shipment, maybe things that are fragile, will help the box keep its integrity if it should be kicked or squashed during shipment. And it's just an extra element of protection. So here we go. So we have, okay, that didn't go on smoothly. Sometimes that happens. And so I'll just take another piece of tape and just make sure that that is, you can see that, there. There we go. So it should look like this on either end. And at this point, I'm not going to do it yet. I'm going to wait until the buyer pays for this. I accepted an offer. I got to wait for him to pay. But I'll put the hat in just like so. Just like that. And then I fold down these flaps. Just like so. And I go ahead and put that in there. And then I'll take this off. And I'll bring it up just like this, fold that over, and tape it down. And then basically it's all ready for a label to be put on, and off it goes. That's all there is to shipping hats. Very simple. They get there securely, and I've used this for, dozens and dozens of hats that I've sold. So anyway, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Give me a thumb up if you like, leave a comment or question below, and go make it a great day.